Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix WhatsApp icon on Wix website. So first of all, you'll have to navigate to your Wix editor, go to the page where the WhatsApp icon is located and check if the WhatsApp icon is visible or if it's overlapping with other elements. Now, if the icon is hidden or misplaced, simply drag it to the desired position or adjust its size to make sure it appears perfectly. For example, I'm adjusting this image and now it's fully visible on my page. Now, you can click the WhatsApp icon in the Wix editor and in the settings panel, you can check if the link is correctly set. You'll have to click on choose a link and choose web address and paste your WhatsApp URL just right here. Now, you'll have to also ensure that correct icon is used. If you're using a custom image as the WhatsApp icon, ensure that the image file is not corrupted or too large. You can use Wix built-in button and try removing it and adding a new one. Simply navigate to add button and navigate to images and choose to upload the image that is WhatsApp icon and drag it on your page and add a new one. Now you can test this on your mobile to see if it's working or not. After doing this, you'll have to update or reinstall the WhatsApp application if you're using a third-party app. So if you're using a third-party Wix application for WhatsApp integration, make sure it is up to date. You can go to the app market and find the WhatsApp application and check if an update is available. If the app is still not working properly, uninstall it and reinstall it. So by following these steps, you should be able to fix and make sure that your WhatsApp icons functions properly on your Wix website. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.